Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Gothenburg, and I'm in Haga, which is a little district in Gothenburg, and Gothenburg. Anyway, Haga, and it's like this old town section, and so I'm going to take you through there, and we'll go see it together. How's that sound? Let's go do it together. Bye-bye. Okay, Haga, and I think it's just an old town, old section, and I think it said it had some wooden sided buildings, and it's really just the old school section of Gothenburg. Gothenburg. Is it Gotten or Gothen? It's spelled Gothen, but never mind. It's a burg, and we can call it as we choose. So anyway, but this is Haga. I can say that one, and it's probably saying it wrong. It's probably Haga or Haiga or something, but it looks like Haga to me, so it's going to be a Hagen forever. It's like a Haagen-Dazs without the duh. Oh, Eric, you're so funny. And it's really just this old town section, and it's still early in the morning. So what time is it now? It's almost 10 in the morning, and these are the streets. So we'll just walk through here and see what we see. How's that sound? And they got kitty door things. That's really cute. Meow. Meow. Cool. And they do the name upside down. Lakritz Ratten. Interesting. Lakritz Ratten. And I think down here, when I look at the map, it shows that Haga is truly down further, but I think it's, so like look at my map here. So you can see my map, and you can see Haga is down here. See where it says Haga? But if you look down here, this is where I'm at, that little blue dot. But it's this way, so I don't know where Haga truly, I think this whole section is Haga. I mean, it looks like there's touristy people here, and I've already ran into people from the boat, so I guess it's not a boat, it's a ship, Eric. Cafe Hibalela, and they're just little side streets. Huh. Fang Antic? Fanigan? Not Fang, Fanigan? Anyway. Constilas Christian Home Design. And nothing's open. Obviously you can see all the furniture is still stacked, and they're not even close to getting ready, and it's still early. It looks like they're getting set up here for an old town market maybe, but when I filmed down all these little side streets like this one, there's nothing on it, which to me means that it's either way early or other. Now this is cute. I don't know what this is. Cool. And this is the market that's coming alive. And what time is it again? It's 10 o'clock almost. So it... Huh. Look at the purple balls. I wonder what they represent. Is it like a footprint or something? I don't know. Anyway, interesting. And they got vegetables. And it looks like meats and sausages and eggs. How you doing?
Good. You?
Amazing. Oh, that's cute. And I don't know what that church is up there, but it looks kind of interesting. You see it way up on the hill up here? I don't know what that is, but... And this says... Not a damn thing I can read. But this still says Haga, and it still says Haga this way. Well, I'll just keep going. Sol and Var. Yeah, the language is certainly a tough one. Regning, Baggins, Baka, and Shinin, Shinan. No idea. And it must just be this one street, because there ain't crap nothing on any of these little side streets. I mean, none of them have a thing on them. That's interesting. Huh. And those signs up on top where it says Haga up there, it says cozy and friendly. And the buildings are kind of neat, and it's certainly an old town. I guess come late night, I bet it's hopping. It's kind of like those cities where they don't eat dinner until like 10 or 11 at night, you know what I mean? Which means they don't wake out of bed until noon. So you can see this Haga sign. It says right there on the left, cozy shopping and fika. Right there, cozy, and on the since 1848, cozy shopping and fika. Okay, so if you didn't know it was 10 o'clock, you'd think this was some kind of war zone where people weren't coming out of their house. But there ain't nothing open, not even close. But there's still another Haga sign, so we'll just keep going. So maybe this video should be Haga pre-dawn. And that up there says 1893, 1993, and it says Haga still. Tees I Haga Cliptoteca Haga et. Yeah, I have no idea, family. But this is certainly in their top 10. And again, there's a person. And then down this street, and it still says Haga, and this one is empty. Okay, I just either must be like crazy early. I guess it is Saturday too, right? Is it Saturday? It is Saturday, the 1st of the month. October 1st. Wow, look at that church way down there. That's pretty amazing. Oh, that's the big one they talked about. 203-foot spire that can be seen from all over the city. Well, that certainly is amazing. So I guess maybe I'll just walk all the way down there and see that too. Maybe it's open. This looks like a pretty busy road here. And maybe come, 1 or 2 or 3, 4 or 5 in the afternoon, this place is hopping. But again, if this is a major street, let me just walk out right into the middle of it. This is it in the middle of the street. And there ain't much here. Huh. Wow. The buildings are amazing, though. Here comes a bus. Klarsberg X2. And look at all those buildings back up there. That's pretty amazing up on top, but okay. Well, let's just keep going. I guess this is an empty street too. Well, so at least you know what it looks like empty. And this is nothing in English. Yeah, not a darn thing. Why not? Papa Mastani Pub. And that says cafe. But there's not. You'd think that a coffee shop would be open by 10, wouldn't you? I mean, that says the coffee room, and it doesn't look like there's anything in there. Huh. Okay, interesting, interesting. Made in China. I take it that's a Chinese food place, maybe? Wow, okay. Well, huh. You know what we need is that Twilight theme playing in the background. You've entered a zone. The zone where nobody lives. The zone where people have gone to rest. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Or are still resting. It's really kind of funny that it's so empty. Huh. Wow. Okay, well, I don't see any more of the Haga sign, so I think that's the end of the road at this church. So I'm going to leave it right here. Polis Station. And it's kind of cute and pretty. But I don't think it's open either. It has a sign on it, so we might as well film the sign and hope for something in English. The police house. It's a police station. Okay, great. It doesn't say a police. Police is different. The police house was built in 1911 in a national romantic style designed by the architect Charles Linden. It is lavish and well-painted brick interior. Above the portal is sculpture police constable with a dog. Okay, I guess that's that guy. Thanks for coming, everybody. Haga Street. Bye.